Look at him. Wait until it goes like, lose yourself in the moment like you want it.
Music.
Like that. You know how to play it, right?
Yeah, it's already recording. Jump up and down like a UFC fighter.
No, like in the movie, or just like.
Dude. Let's see it. It's just hot Vito.
Alright, ready, my turn.
Alright, now put in my CD. Turn that.
No, it's my. I just want to put on mine.
No,
Dude, come on. It's all of our songs, and then you get to do.
No.
Oh, no, do your CD.
The freaking awesome iPod. We're about to break it once again.
I'm last, right?
In the Cheeto bag.
You get to listen
We
to
shall
music,
see
but
it
I'm
now.
last.
Where's the iPod at, you guys?
It's in the bag.
Okay, so you guys ready? Okay, you ready? I'm ready. I'm freaking ready, dude. Oh god, look at this iPod. Are you ready?
Play it, dude.
It's the iPod.
Wait, hold up. We gotta get the right song.
Who is this, though?
Drake.
Yeah,
The
I'm
broken
so proud of you.
iPod.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you.
Got Zayn. Oh, in here. You got the bass on too high.
This is such a sexy. Shit, that's vibrating the whole house, retard.
Wait.
How's it playing?
Both.
Alright, close it. Close it.